going to do some Ken, a favorite puzzle of mine. So you're going to come to this page and you are going to create your own custom puzzle. And I would start with a 3x3. If you're first starting Ken, go for a 3x3. Otherwise, you're going to have some issues without some practice. So I'm going to select a 3x3, and then I'm not going to pick all 4 operations at first. I'm just going to do, let's say, addition and subtraction. Okay, I'm going to pick just addition and subtraction, do a 3x3, the smallest size, and then it should link me in. Oh wait, I have to click a difficulty level, easiest, and press play. Now, because it says easiest doesn't mean it's necessarily easy, but we have a 3x3, meaning we have 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, meaning we can use the numbers 1, 2, or 3, and it says so right here. Sort of like, it's like Sudoku in that you need to get 1, 2, and 3 in every row and column. So let's just start. So this shaded rectangle, I need to find 2 numbers that when I subtract them, I get an answer of 1. So I could do that with the number 2 and the number 1. Or I could do that with the number 3 and the number 2. I have some choices in that. So maybe I'll just stick with this one, but I might end up having to change it because I could put a 2 here and a 3 here. All right? Okay. So now I'm going to go to another box. I really like this one because it has to be a 1. Like that's the only thing it can be. And in this column, I have not used a 2 yet. So that means here, I'm going to say this has to be a 2. But if this is a 2, then this rectangle, I need to use subtraction, and I need to get an answer of 2. Well, 2 minus 0 is 2, but I don't have a 0 to use, which means that I'm not going to be able to use a 2 here, which means I'm going to have to switch this number. Like, this is not going to be 3 minus 2. I'm going to end up changing this to 2 minus 1. Is 1. And then here, I'm going to click that to be a 3 because 1, 2, 3. And then 3 minus what is 2? 3 minus 1. Oh no, I ran into another issue because now I have a 1 and a 1 in the same column. So I'm going to flip these around, put a 1 here and put a 2 here. 2 minus 1 is still 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And now I have a 1, 2, and now this one is going to have to be a what? A 3, because I have 1, 2, 3 in this column. Now right here, I have a 1, a 3. That means this is going to have to be a 2, because that's the only number left, and hopefully it works. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that ends up working. And now I have one more rectangle here, and I have to use addition, and the answer is 3. So if I go here, I already used a 1, a 2, so this is going to have to be a 3. And then 3 plus, what number do I have left in this row? I have a 2. And when I add a 3 and a 2, do I get 3? Oh, no, I don't. Watch. I put a 2 here. And now I have 2 showing up twice. This is not working. So do you see what I mean? Now I have to reconfigure what I'm doing. And I have to maybe move these around. So if I move this to a 2 and this to a 3, and then I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to move, what am I going to move? If that's a 2, then I'm going to have to move this one, and I'm going to have to move this one, because I have 1s right here, but if I move that here, that's the same. See what I mean? You run into some issues, but now this video is getting long. So pick a puzzle, try it out, and see what happens.